Hidden treasures often exist right before our eyes, yet remain completely overlooked. Pomegranate seed oil was exactly that for me, a life-changing discovery that most people haven't experienced. My journey with this remarkable oil began during a particularly challenging time with persistent skin inflammation and fatigue that conventional approaches simply weren't addressing. After extensively researching natural alternatives, I stumbled upon clinical studies about pomegranate seed oil's unique properties. Skeptical but desperate, I decided to document a week-long experiment using this oil both topically and internally. What happened next genuinely surprised even me, despite my background in natural health solutions. Pomegranate seed oil contains an extraordinary compound called punic acid, which comprises about 65% of the oil's fatty acid content. According to research published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, this omega-5 fatty acid possesses remarkable anti-inflammatory properties that few natural substances can match. What makes it truly special is how quickly it begins working in the body. Day 1 of my experiment began with applying 3 drops of cold-pressed pomegranate seed oil to my face and consuming 1/4 teaspoon internally mixed with morning yogurt. Within hours, I noticed an unexpected subtle glow to my skin, not the shine from oil, but a natural radiance that had been missing for months. By day 3, the persistent redness around my nose and cheeks had visibly diminished. This aligned perfectly with research from the International Journal of Dermatology, which documented pomegranate oil's ability to regulate inflammatory pathways in skin cells. My skin felt noticeably calmer and more balanced than it had in years. The most remarkable internal changes became apparent around day 4. The mild joint discomfort I'd been experiencing after exercise had significantly decreased. Studies from the Journal of Inflammation Research suggest this improvement stems from punic acid's ability to modulate inflammatory mediators throughout the body, not just in the skin. Tracking my sleep patterns revealed another unexpected benefit. My deep sleep duration increased by approximately 18 minutes per night, according to my sleep tracker. Research published in Current Neuropharmacology indicates this may relate to pomegranate compounds' ability to influence certain neurotransmitters involved in sleep regulation. By day 6, friends began commenting on my skin's improved appearance before I mentioned anything about my experiment. The most common observation? My complexion looked more even and refreshed, precisely the words used in a clinical assessment published in Experimental Dermatology, examining pomegranate oil's effects on skin tone and texture. Perhaps most surprisingly, by day 7, my digestive comfort had noticeably improved. According to gastroenterology research, pomegranate seed oil has gentle prebiotic effects that support beneficial gut bacteria, while its unique fatty acids help optimize bile production for better nutrient absorption. Incorporating pomegranate seed oil effectively requires understanding its unique properties. For topical application, I found that applying it to slightly damp skin maximized absorption without leaving residue. 3 drops proved sufficient for my entire face, making the small bottle surprisingly economical. For internal consumption, timing matters significantly. Taking the oil with a fat-containing meal enhances absorption of its beneficial compounds. Research from the Journal of Nutrition demonstrates that the bioavailability of pomegranate's unique fatty acids increases by approximately 60% when consumed alongside other dietary fats. Quality differences between pomegranate seed oil products are substantial. Cold-pressed, organic oils retain significantly higher levels of the beneficial punicic acid and antioxidant compounds. I learned this firsthand after initially purchasing a lower-quality product that delivered minimal results before switching to a properly processed version. For those concerned about the taste, pomegranate seed oil has a surprisingly mild flavor with subtle fruity notes, nothing like the overpowering experience of some other medicinal oils. Mixing it with a spoonful of yogurt or drizzling it over finished dishes makes consumption entirely pleasant. Blood tests taken before and after my 7-day experiment showed measurable improvements in key inflammation markers, particularly in C-reactive protein levels. This aligned with findings published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, which documented similar anti-inflammatory effects in controlled clinical trials. While most people can safely use pomegranate seed oil, certain individuals should exercise caution. Those taking blood-thinning medications should consult healthcare providers, as pomegranate compounds may have mild anticoagulant properties.